how to blur out everything in the image and keep, let's say, the center clear. To do that, here on the Edit tab, click on the clip on the timeline, go to the Color tab, come to this one, which is Window, use, let's say, a linear, position it where you want to leave the image clear, grab those white corners. Now go to this icon, which is blur, that water droplet sign. Use the radius, drag any of these numbers, and as you can see, it is doing the opposite. It is blurring out this one and leaving everything outside unblurred. So go back to this window, and here, which has that red symbol around it, click on this icon. And notice the blurring was reversed. Now everything is blurred out on the outside and it's clear in the center. Now you can use, let's say, tracking and track that portion of the video forward and backward using this double arrow. Let's mute it. And now in this clip everything is blurred out except that small little portion in the center. So that's how to reverse the blurring on the Window tab of Davinci Resolve.